Hello students, here the molecule has been given and we have to find out the hybridization of the each carbon. So we know when carbon having 4 sigma bond, that is called sp3 hybridized. When carbon has a double bond and attached with 2 element or hydrogen, that is called sp2 hybridized. And when carbon has a triple bond and attached with hydrogen or any other element, that is called sp. So now we have to find out from the molecule that the hybridization state of the each carbon. So here we can see these carbons having 2 hydrogen and double bond. So this is sp2. Now this carbon being double bond and 1 single bond with hydrogen and 1 single bond with the carbon. So this is sp2. Now this carbon has triple bond with nitrogen and 1 single bond with carbon. So this is called sp. So if we just split the structure, we can draw in this way: CH, double bond, carbon, hydrogen, single bond, carbon, triple bond, N. So this is sp2, this one sp2, and this one sp. So hope you understand that how to determine the hybridization state of each carbon. So let's draw another molecule. CH, triple bond C, single bond C, triple bond CH. So here this carbon attached with triple bond and 1 hydrogen. So this is sp. This carbon is also sp. This carbon is also sp because it is attached with triple bond and 1 single bond, and this carbon is also sp. So here all the carbon are 4. So here all the carbon is sp. Sorry, this is not sp3, this is sp. Okay. Now draw another molecule. CH2, double bond, carbon, double bond carbon, double bond CH2. So now this carbon is sp2. So it has 2 double bond. So this also sp2, sp2, sp2. So here all carbons are sp2 hybridized. Hope you understand that how to determine the hybridization of the carbon atom. Thank you. Hello students, here one more structure has been given and we have to find out the hybridization of the each carbon and the oxygen atom of this compound. So as earlier we have discussed that when carbon is attached with 4 sigma bond, that is sp3 hybridized. When carbon has a double bond and attached with 2 sigma bond with 2 elements or hydrogen, that is sp2 hybridized carbon, and carbon has a triple bond and attached with 1 carbon or 1 hydrogen or other element, that is called the sp. So now we have to find out that types of hybridization on carbon. So if we look at this structure, this the OH attached with this carbon is sp3. This carbon is sp3, is sp3 carbon. Now the carbonyl carbon having a double bond, so it is sp2 carbon, and C double bond C carbon have both are sp2 carbon. So now we have to find out the hybridization of the oxygen atom of the compound. So here if you look at the structure very carefully, there are 3 different categories of oxygen molecules are present, oxygen atoms are present. Like when oxygen is attached with hydrogen and 1 carbon, and oxygen also have 2 lone pair. We have to consider the lone pair when we find out the hybridization. So this is first category, this is an alcoholic OH. Second category is that when oxygen having a ethyl linkage. So either it may be a hydrogen, or since in this, sorry, this is carbon. So here also oxygen have two lone pair. So this is ethyl linkage. And the third category is carbonyl carbon. Here oxygen having one lone pair. So now if you look at the structure of the alcohol eco-OH, we can see oxygen having the 2 sigma bond and 2 lone pair. So that means this oxygen having sp3 hybridized. So in the ethyl linkage also oxygen have 2 sigma bond and 2 lone pair. So this is also sp3 hybridized. And here in the carbonyl carbon, oxygen having a double bond, means 1 sigma bond and 1 lone pair. So this carbon is sp2. So now let's draw the hybridized over the molecule. So this is alcoholic OH sp3. All the alcoholic OH will be sp3 hybridized oxygen atom, sp3. And even ethyl linkage oxygen is also sp3 hybridized, but carbonyl carbon oxygen is sp2. Hope you understand how to determine the hybridization of carbon and oxygen atom in a particular compound. Thank you.